Today I'm finally organizing my kitchen and pantry area, and I thought I'll take you along while I'm at it. Hi guys, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'd like to say a big hi. I do videos mainly on home organization, sourdough recipes, motherhood and other delicious food. If you happen to like such videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new updates. And with all that said, let's begin. So this is where I store my spices. As you can see, the space screams out for some sort of organization or the other. To begin with, I emptied the whole shelf so everything is in view. As you can see, all these containers are unidentifiable or of different sizes. Some are even empty or just have very little spice in them. So I had a good sort out of what I needed and gave all the bottles a good clean and removed any existing labels from them. If you were interested, I have 2 quick and easy hacks on how to remove labels and those sticky residue off surfaces in a previous video, so I will link it up above, or please do check out the description box. With that said, let's continue. I'm giving the shelf a quick wipe down here, as you can see. I'm making labels for all my spices here, so it's easy to identify between them spices. Here I'm transferring my spices into freshly cleaned jars using this piece of newspaper I have folded into a cone. This totally avoids unnecessary spillage, especially for jars with narrow openings like this one. Now to finally organize those spices, I am using these plastic plates from IKEA. The idea is to create a DIY lazy Susan, so I can efficiently utilize the space on my shelf. So here I'm just adding chickpeas and other random dry lentils to these plates, and now have placed another plate on top as seen. As you can see, it just rotates and functions just like a lazy Susan. Only this is way cheaper and is literally a quick DIY that anyone can easily put together. I'm using blue tack. For those of you who aren't familiar, this sticks to almost any surface, and best part, it doesn't leave any residue and is totally reusable. So here I'm using this to stick the underside of the bottom plate to the shelf as seen, and is quickly putting the arrangement together for this DIY lazy Susan. I happen to love these IKEA plates. They are the perfect size and is sturdy. I also got to fit in all my spices and group them together according to their daily use. I've been using this shelf for the past 3 weeks, and I am in love with this arrangement as I now know what is where. My spices have a home. There is no clutter, and the best part, I'm not constantly trying to make my way and get to those spice jars at the back end of my shelf, as I now have easy access to all those spice jars. I've been storing my spatulas in these containers, but I hate the fact that I can hardly see any of my spatulas, and these containers, they take up a considerable space on my worktop, which I can totally make use of. So to make things easier and to have good visibility of all my spatulas, I grouped these utensils. So the first group is wooden spatulas. I placed all these into a section on this rather wide drawer divider, again which was got from IKEA. The next group were these selection of random utensils, so those went into the other section of the divider. As you can see, since these dividers are wide, I have further divided them using small plastic and cardboard boxes for those smaller yet daily used items. Now for those utensils or spatulas that could be hung, I'm fixing these little screw-on cup hooks to the top end of my kitchen cabinet, and here I have hung all of my spatulas. Now they are all in sight and easy to pick out and put back after use. The best part is that they are now hidden away in a cabinet, which makes my kitchen tidier and now gives me more room on my kitchen counter. As you can see, these undershelf cup holders are not really serving its purpose here, as for one, it's hanging further down and not really making efficient use of the space here. So I thought of repurposing it and hanging it onto the door of one of my kitchen cabinets. Now this gave me more hanging space and now became home to these measuring spoons, cups and a few of our barbecue utensils. This helped keep all of these items in sight and now, as you can see, is easily accessible. Last but not least are these DIY or repurposed pull-out drawers for deep kitchen or pantry shelves. So here is a well-used old chopping board that I am now placing on a shelf. Here, as you can see, I'm using it to get easy access to my Tupperwares. This just means I don't have to take out a few boxes to finally get to the box I really need from the back end of the shelf. Now all I need to do is pull out the chopping board like a drawer and have easy access to all of it. Similarly, here is an extra new bathroom tile we had lying around. All I did was drill 2 holes in it and threaded a cotton rope through the holes to make a handle. I'm placing this tile with the smooth side down so it easily pulls out and doesn't damage the surface of the shelf. Here I'm placing all my cooking oils, ghee and other random bottles on this tile and using the tile as a pull-out drawer, as you can see. So I hope you have got a few organizing ideas from this video. I would love to know if there was a particular one that you liked. So do comment down below and please let me know. Also, if you've liked this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. So see you in the next one. Lots of love and God bless.